today for the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices. Ladies and gentlemen, it's crazy. What is going on? Bitcoin is crashing or dumping down. Crypto is dumping down. We see this big fight between Elon Musk and Donald Trump, and everyone is asking, is this the beginning of the end? I have a very clear answer to that. I want to go into it. I want to talk about my price targets. What am I doing with my 40 million US dollar trades? I am actually right now taking imminent actions on that. I want to talk about what is going on and answer the question of many people who think that this might be the end. Well, let's talk about that. A few days ago, I uploaded a video where I was warning you about something. And you know the saying, show me the charts, I'll tell you the news. It almost seems like my question here, let me show you where I was saying, is this even real life? Who scripted this? It seems like the chart is scripting it. Show me the charts, I will tell you the news. The chart was kind of predicting a big breakdown. And I talked about that a few days ago on my video. This video is still online. It's the last video which I uploaded before this one here. And Elon Musk was posting time to drop the really big bomb. Real Donald Trump is in the Epstein files. This is the real reason they have not been made public. Have a nice day. And well, if we are going into the charts, and by the way, let me also show you, yes, I am in my trades. Just the Solana trade, I closed it in a slight loss. Bitcoin trade still open, the other Bitcoin trade still open, the Ethereum trade open, and I'm seriously considering taking some partial profits here. It's nice, right? Taking profits, why not? Why not? Now you can see that Bitcoin actually had here this double top. And if we're actually going back, in the last bull market, you see we had another double top here. And I mentioned in the last video on YouTube, you can check it out if you didn't watch it yet, that not only that we had very rarely 7 green candles in a row and that a correction is likely, which is happening right now, but also that this double top is at least indicative of us having to be very careful. I told you there are 2 scenarios. One scenario, we are breaking this resistance and going into a super cycle. I mentioned that this is the less likely scenario. Please watch that video if you haven't watched it. The more likely scenario is that this actually will act as significant resistance within that bull market. Now, I am not telling you that either scenario 1 or 2 is true because only time can tell. I can only guess. I am a human, just like everyone else. But what I am telling you, if this is the end of the bull market, you at least want to have your bets hedged. You at least do not want to have all your money in altcoins. I have most of my money in Bitcoin. I don't care if that's the beginning of the bear market. I have taken $11 million profits on my long-term trade. I will take probably a few more million US dollars on this long-term trade as well. If this is a bear market, fine, I took profits. And if Bitcoin goes down, I am convinced in the long-term value of it. If we are going higher, I am very happy also. Bitcoin will go higher. It's the front runner of everything. I already took profits, yes, but I took these profits in Bitcoin. You need to have your bets hedged that no matter what scenario is coming into place, you are doing well. And I do want to tell you that this fight between Elon Musk and Donald Trump, we should not put too much weight into it. This is just basically, it looks like 2 school kids having a fight. I don't care too much about that. Just today we had an interest rate cut of the European Central Bank, and that generally is something positive for assets. I'm just telling you one thing, lean back and relax, but you need to have a trading and hodling portfolio which allows you to lean back and relax no matter what happens. And you have to ask yourself, is this what you have? Let me know down below. And also let me know down below, if you want to take sides, Team Trump or Team Elon Musk. Interesting conversation. Let me know. And as always, guys, bye.